To troubleshoot a Venmo bank link issue, start by ensuring your bank account is compatible with Venmo. Check the Venmo website for a list of supported banks and financial institutions. If your bank is listed, proceed to the next step. Verify that your bank account information is correct and up to date in the Venmo app. Check for any typos or incorrect routing numbers. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your bank account to cover the transaction. If you have recently changed your bank account or routing number, try unlinking and relinking your bank account to Venmo. To do this, go to the Venmo app, select the menu, and choose Settings, then Payment Methods, and select the bank account you want to unlink. Confirm that you want to unlink the account, then relink it by following the prompts. Check for any Venmo app updates and ensure you are running the latest version. Outdated apps can cause linking issues, so updating the app may resolve the problem. Also, check your bank's website for any maintenance or outage notifications that may be affecting the link. If you are still experiencing issues, try clearing the Venmo app cache and data. This will reset the app to its default settings and may resolve any linking problems on many devices. You can do this by going to the device settings, selecting the Venmo app, and choosing Clear Cache and Clear Data. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Venmo support directly for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the problem and provide more detailed guidance. Additionally, you can also contact your bank's customer support to ensure there are no issues on their end. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve any issues with your Venmo bank link. Remember to always keep your bank account information up to date and monitor your account activity to prevent any future linking issues.